If you're trying to make money with Claude AI in 2026, there's something you need to understand before you waste the next 6 months of your life. Most people are using AI completely backwards. They spend their time chasing complicated AI businesses that sound impressive on social media, but are actually difficult to build, difficult to scale, and difficult to maintain. I see complete beginners trying to build AI apps. They try to start AI agency. They try to sell cheap AI prompts. They try to create complicated automations. And while some people make good money doing those things, most people never get past the learning phase. They spend months watching videos and never actually build a business that makes cash. Meanwhile, there are people quietly using Claude AI to create offers, attract customers, and generate income without needing technical skills, coding knowledge, or a huge audience. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 easiest ways to make money with Claude AI right now. The first one is my favorite, and it's made me a lot of money. The second one can get you cash quickly, and the third one is honestly one of the most underrated business models on the internet, but it's more difficult than number one, which is my favorite. Most people aren't talking about these 3 because they're too busy chasing shiny objects. But if your goal is actually making as much money as you can with the least amount of time working instead of looking busy, pay attention. My name is Fred. I've been selling digital products online for years, and AI has dramatically accelerated what I'm able to create and launch. My record is generating over 5 grand in cash collected in just 48 hours. Not revenue, not projections, actual money hitting my bank account. And if you want to learn how I personally make money online with AI, you can get my free course. The link is in the description below this video. Or if you want to get faster results, you can directly apply to book a free one-to-one call with me or a member of my team, and we're gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap so you can get to $10,000 a month plus with AI and digital products. So let's start with the best opportunity of all 3, online courses. Now, before you say, but Fred, I don't know anything worth teaching, let me stop you right there, because this is one of the biggest misconceptions people have about making money online. People think they need to be the world's biggest expert before they can create a course. They think they need a PhD, 20 years of experience, or some incredible life story. In reality, most people aren't paying for genius level expertise. They're paying for clarity. They're paying for organization. They're paying for a roadmap. And this is where Claude becomes incredibly powerful. Let's say you want to create a course on productivity, fitness basics, learning a language, using software, video editing, content creation, marketing, AI tools, or any other topic, even a video game. The information already exists. Claude can help you research it, organize it. Claude can also help you create lesson structures, exercises, examples, worksheets, live interactive PDFs, what we call AI artifacts, and step-by-step action plans. Instead of spending months building a course, you can dramatically accelerate the entire process. Now, obviously, you shouldn't pretend to be a doctor if you're not one. You shouldn't teach legal advice if you're not qualified. But outside of those obvious exceptions, there are thousands of topics where the value isn't in discovering new information. The value is in organizing existing information into a step-by-step process people can follow. And here's why I like this model more than almost any other AI business. You're building an asset. If you write content for clients, you get paid once. If you create a course, you can potentially sell it hundreds or thousands of times. The same work can continue producing income long after it's created. That's leverage. That's why so many people eventually move toward digital products after trying other business models. You don't necessarily need to show your face, by the way. If you want to build a personal brand, great. It's one of the most powerful things you can do because people trust people. That being said, AI voices, clones, and avatars, they often beat humans, like it's insane. So both work. So if you're camera shy, AI avatars and AI voices are becoming better every single year. And in fact, right now, they're crazy good already. You can create educational content without ever appearing on screen. What matters isn't whether your face is visible. Nobody really cares. What matters is whether you're helping people solve a problem, giving them valuable help. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. The second easiest way to make money with Claude AI is selling services. Now this is probably the fastest way to get your first dollar online because you don't need to create a product before making a sale. Instead, you use Claude to help businesses solve problems. For example, you could help businesses write content. You could help them create social media posts. You could help them build marketing campaigns. You could help them write emails. You could help them create sales scripts. You could help them improve customer support systems. Claude can dramatically speed up the work you're delivering. The reason I rank services second is because they're easier to start because you don't need to build a product, but they're harder to scale. Every new client creates more work. Every new customer requires more attention. You're still trading time for money, even if AI makes you more efficient. It's literally like having a job. You just get the self-employed title, but you often work more and pay more taxes. So what's the point? Now that doesn't mean services are bad. In fact, many successful entrepreneurs started with services because it's one of the fastest ways to validate demand and generate cash flow. But what often happens 9 times out of 10 is that someone builds a service business, gains experience, learns what customers want, and eventually turns that knowledge into a digital product. This is what all the people who get rich online are doing. They sell online courses. Think about it. If you solve the same problems for 20 clients, you start noticing patterns. You start seeing the same questions over and over again. You start creating the same resources constantly. That's often when people realize they could package that knowledge into a course instead of delivering it manually every time. So services are fantastic for getting started. They're fantastic for building skills. They're fantastic for generating income. But in my opinion, they're often a stepping stone toward more scalable business models. The third opportunity is building a paid community with recurring monthly revenue. And this is one that surprisingly few people talk about. Instead of selling a one-time product, you create a community where members pay every month to access information, resources, discussions, accountability, or support. Claude can help you create content for the community. It can help you generate discussion topics. It can help you create learning resources. It can help you to answer questions faster. It can help you organize member resources. In other words, it can significantly reduce the workload involved in running a community. What makes recurring revenue attractive is obvious. Instead of starting from zero every month, existing members continue paying as long as they receive value. That creates more predictable income. However, there's also a challenge. A community requires ongoing engagement. Low-ticket monthly recurring is a 10 out of 10 difficulty compared to high-ticket. People need a reason to stay. They need fresh content. They need interaction. They need value added every single month. That's why I personally see communities as extremely powerful when they're combined with the first business model. A course can attract customers. A community can keep them engaged. The two often work together very well. But if you solve a painful problem, just sell a high-ticket course. Do method number 1. And once again, you don't necessarily need to be the world's leading expert. Many successful communities are built around learning together, sharing resources, documenting progress, and helping members achieve a specific goal. Claude can help you gather information, structure learning paths, and create valuable resources that improve the member experience. If you're starting from absolute zero and you need money quickly, services are probably the easiest place to begin. You can use Claude immediately to improve your productivity and deliver value to clients. If you're looking for recurring income and you enjoy interacting with people, a community can be a great option, even though it's extremely difficult to do. But if you're asking me which model has the biggest long-term upside, the highest revenue potential with the least amount of work, my answer is still online courses and digital products. Because courses give you leverage. They can scale extremely fast, extremely far. Courses allow you to package knowledge once and sell it to hundreds, even thousands of people at no extra cost. And AI right now is making course creation easier than at any point in history. The biggest mistake people make is assuming they have nothing valuable to teach or that they can't find something to teach. But the reality is that people don't pay for information directly. Information is everywhere. There's books on every topic. What people pay for is organization, simplicity, structure, and speed. They pay for a roadmap, a shortcut. And Claude is one of the best tools ever created for helping you build those roadmaps. So if you're serious about making money with Claude AI in 2026, stop focusing on the tool itself and start focusing on the problems people want solved. The people making the most money with AI aren't necessarily the people with the most advanced prompts. They're the people using AI to create digital products and value more efficiently. Whether that's through online courses, services, or recurring revenue communities, the principle is exactly the same. Find a problem, create a solution. Use Claude to accelerate the process. And remember that AI itself isn't the business. AI is simply the tool that helps you build a business faster and make money in less time. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.